Have you ever wondered how comparison affects our mental health and overall happiness? Picture this. You're chained to a screen, scrolling incessantly through a carefully curated feed of others' triumphs. Each chiseled physique, every dreamy vacation and all lavish purchases nibble at your self-worth, whispering sinister doubts. Why aren't you that successful? Why aren't you that joyous? Why aren't you enough? This relentless cycle, ignited by jealousy and societal pressure, is the unseen prison we find ourselves in. We're shackled by our own expectations, perpetually pursuing an unreachable ideal. Yet the reality is, joy isn't discovered in the filtered realities of social media. It's not about possessing the most, achieving the most, or being the most. It's about seeking contentment within ourselves, cherishing our unique paths, and rejoicing in our victories, no matter the size. We have become prisoners of our own expectations, forever chasing an unattainable ideal. So, how do we break free from the prison of comparison? The key lies in 5 simple steps. First, recognize the trap. Acknowledge when you are lost in the labyrinth of comparisons, and notice the feelings of envy and self-doubt that arise. Next, shift your focus. Instead of gazing outward, turn your attention inward. Celebrate your strengths, your passions, your progress. Remember, your journey is unique, and so are you. Thirdly, practice gratitude. Relish the small joys in life. A comforting cup of coffee, a sunny day, a kind word. These are blessings, not just everyday occurrences. Then, find your inspiration. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who celebrate diversity and encourage growth. Lastly, be your own cheerleader. You are your biggest supporter, so believe in your worth, your abilities. Remember, you are worthy of love, happiness, and success, just as you are. Breaking free from the prison of comparison is a journey, not a destination. As we embark on this path to genuine happiness, let's explore a few more strategies. Consider limiting your time on social media, focusing more on your personal goals and dreams. If you're grappling with feelings of inadequacy, seeking professional help can be a game changer. Remember, kindness is like a boomerang. When we spread kindness, it reverberates, touching others and returning to us in surprising ways. This steady stream of positivity nourishes our happiness. Furthermore, compassion breeds connection. A compassionate heart allows us to see beyond our own needs and connect with others on a deeper level. These authentic connections provide us with a sense of belonging and purpose. Finally, forgiveness sets us free. Letting go of grudges and resentment is like unloading a heavy weight. It allows us to embrace the present moment with an open heart. With time and effort, you can break free from the prison of comparison and create a life filled with genuine happiness and fulfillment.